everyone, welcome back to a brand new video from the Residual Royalty Academy. Now I hope you're doing well wherever you may be in the world. This video is actually just going to be a quick little update, and it actually happens to be sponsored by Seb and Rob out in Melbourne, living up the Australian lifestyle. So to you guys, I hope you're doing well, whether you're on KDP or not. I just hope you're making it happen, living the life. So you can see that the Residual Royalty Academy has almost 1,000 members now. We've got 958 here, we've got 39 here. That brings the total to almost 1,000. So if you do want to come and join, I'll leave the link in the description, and you can find it all in here. You can see I'm always posting in here. Everyone is getting help. Just posting some inspirational stuff, really. People are asking questions, getting everything they need answered. So just if you do have some problems with KDP, this is really the best place to be, because there's over 1,000 people on hand to help you. The accent does seem to have strayed a little bit from the Australian, but we'll try and keep to it. The other thing I did want to say is that, sometimes these member requests do build up. I don't actually accept people every day. It's usually every couple of days. I'm actually a pretty busy guy. I'm always doing work, always publishing. So, this Facebook group isn't, I'm not on here 24/7 like you might think, but I do try and get in here where I can. So another reason to join is because every time the YouTube channel hits 1,000 subscribers, I actually give away the Royalty Accelerator course for free. So if I find this post right now, you can see that when the channel hit 2,000 subscribers, this was the competition here. Now we've gone a bit Irish or American, and we had a lot of people entering. We had 79 people entering, which is really fantastic. And you can see we spun the magic wheel, and bit of Russ. We spun the magic wheel, and one lucky winner got the course for free. So if you do want to be in with a chance of winning it next time when the channel hits 3,000 subscribers, then I recommend you come and join the group. There's over 2,000 years on YouTube, and there's only 958 in here. So there must be a little bit of miscommunication. So that's why I just wanted to create this video quickly. I do apologize if you couldn't really understand the Aussie accent. But yeah, I hope you're doing really well. I hope you come and join the group, get your questions answered. You can also message me directly on this group, and I'll get back to you when I can. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and great stuff. I'll see you next time.